Hey everybody, it's me Sissy. I'm gonna be quiet right now because it's the middle of the night. I woke up, I couldn't sleep. There was a terrible thunderstorm and the thunder woke me up and I just can't get back to sleep. So why waste this time? I was thinking about the little Thanksgiving display I made earlier and that I really wished I had a banner. So I went and dug through my horrible torn up craft room and everything is all thrown around and found a few things and made a quick little banner. So stay tuned to see how I made it, and hopefully everybody is getting some sleep, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye. Okay, I was thinking about making the little banner for my display, and I remembered I had this Halloween garland. It's the little felt letters that spell out Happy Halloween, and I had this from the birthday department, this burlap banner. It was all from Dollar Tree, and I thought I would see what I could come up with. This is going to be big enough to do, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we could put, well, there's 5. We could put fall, F-A-L-L. I can probably get enough letters out of here. So F-A, of course, yeah. Of course, there's no F in Happy Halloween, but we can fix that. There's fall, and for an F, we can just take an E. So just have the E, and we will just, we'll just cut this, that, and we've got our fall. But I think I want a little bit of the brown color, so maybe I will should I put the brown color on top or on bottom? Let's cut it out and see what we like best. So I'm just going to lay this on here and cut around it. And this is just some scrap felt. I know some of the Dollar Trees are getting felt in now, and you don't have to do this. You can just put it on the little burlap. And then they have some other banners in the birthday department that are just plain material. So I'm going to make this a little smaller. I probably should make a better template. But I just thought about this. There's a thunderstorm came up and I was asleep and it woke me up. I'm having terrible insomnia anyway, so I said, well, get up and do something. Don't just lay there. So probably need a better pair of scissors than this. That on top. I think that's kind of cute. Okay, I think we'll go with that. I wish my letters were a little smaller, or these were a little bigger. Nope, I think that'll be alright. Okay, so all I'm going to do is put some hot glue on here. If I had a bigger space, we could probably cut these letters to spell out Thanksgiving, but I have such a small space there where I have my little display, so I'm just going to go with the fall. Okay, and when I glue this on, I'm not going to get any glue on these holes here because that's where I'm going to run my, let's see, I have some burlap, some jute twine, so we're just going to run that through there. So just a little glue. Banner they have in the this was in the birthday department. That's just little white muslin. That's cute too, but I think I'm going to go with the burlap. I got a better pair of scissors here, so these L's are a little bit big, so I'm just going to give them a little trim. And let's see, I got two more. What can we put on these? Maybe we can put some fall leaves on them. Go see what I got. Okay, so I found in my stash these little 20 count felt leaves. This will be great. I'll see if we can just decorate these two end pieces. These are really nice. All these different colors. And puppy's crying in the background. They don't like the storm. I don't think I want that green in there, but maybe a burgundy. Kind of like that. So I'm going to go with that. See if I got enough scraps of this brown. Put this little maple leaf on here, but it didn't punch out very, the little things didn't punch out. So, I'm going to use this one, and this burgundy on this. I think I'm just going to tie a little bow. Okay, I'm going to have to piece together this other one. I don't have enough felt. And then I'm going to use this yellow. No, I don't like that yellow in there, so I'm going to take that out. And we'll use this green one. Too much burgundy. I guess we'll use the yellow one. We'll hide it under the green one. It'll make this probably get up in the morning and wonder, what was I doing? I'm sleep deprived. What did you do while you were asleep? So I'm just going to tie another bow, and I just like to loop it around my fingers, go under, and then go through the hole right there. And then you can adjust your loops the way you want. Now I have to decide if I want to actually try to weave the burlap twine through the letters or just glue it to the twine. So oh, I glued it to my counter. So now we have that. That's kind of cute. I think that it'd probably be best if I glued it. Well, I don't know. Let me go see if I got a needle big enough for this. Okay, so I found a big needle. I'm going to see if I can get this twine to go through there. Yeah, I got it through there. Now, let's see. I've got my twine on my needle, and let's see, we want the string to be behind. So we're going to go through the front right here. And on these little ones, the end ones, I'm going to go through twice because this burlap is really kind of flimsy. And pull it through like that. And then these, since I'm going to have to go through the felt underneath, I just have a little punch tool with a point on the end, and I'm just going to punch it through to make a hole. And then we're going to go through the top. And this is, oh yeah, okay, I got it. Pull through. And then the other one going to come up through the back. And then we'll do all the rest of them. So there's our banner. I'm going to go hang it up, and we'll take a look at it. Okay, so there's my impromptu middle of the night crafting fall leaf banner. I think it turned out really cute. I made it with this stuff that I had on hand. Some left over from Halloween and stuff just in my stash. But anyway, y'all, if you can't sleep and you want something to do, get up and craft something. At least I'm getting something done other than just tossing and turning and laying there. But remember, everybody, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Now, maybe I can go get an hour of sleep before I have to go to work. Y'all have a great night. Bye.